Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Garden gazebos. Garden gazebos can have wood, metal, steel, fabrics, and plastic structures and are among the accessories that help enjoy the outdoor spaces the most, even in the hottest hours and all the year round. Gazebos play the double function of creating shadowy spots in the open air, so to make the outdoor more pleasant to live in, and of decorating it with modern design models or classic-looking solutions. From traditional wood gazebos to steel gazebos, there are endless choices available to be matched with a multitude of external contexts, from particularly large external areas to smaller spaces to be furnished with compact models. Plant a container garden. As mentioned, turning your backyard into a garden is common today. However, not everyone is a fan of tearing up their grass just to make room for flower beds. This is especially true for homeowners who own a large backyard. If you don't want to damage your grass but still want to see colorful plants there, add a container garden to your outdoor space instead. This option is one of the best ways you can add color and life to your backyard without damaging what's already there. Depending on your preferences, you can place your butterfly feeders on the ground or hang them from your tree branches. However, if you do have pets at home, it might be best if you choose to hang your butterfly feeders to keep them out of reach from your furry friends. Construct a trellis. Simply put, a trellis is an architectural structure made from an open framework of interesting pieces of bamboo, wood, or metal. Constructing a trellis and adding this item into your backyard will allow you to display shrubs and climbing plants. This is another item that should be added to your backyard design. When you have a trellis in your backyard, you'll be able to highlight some of your best shrubs and climbing plants. Depending on your preferences, you can simply put your trellis alongside your outdoor furniture or use these as walls in between your garden. Install an outdoor kitchen. While outdoor grills are usually enough for some homeowners, Other people who love to host outdoor parties need more space to prepare and cook their meals. And although they can do all of these things in kitchen inside of their homes, going in and out can be time-consuming and stressful. How can you accommodate your guests if you're too preoccupied cooking food for them indoors? To make the most out of outdoor space and solve this problem, install an outdoor kitchen in your backyard. This is a very cost-effective investment as this will allow you to easily cook a wide variety of foods outdoors. Build a fire pit. Using the backyard as an extension of one's living space is common today. In fact, a lot of homeowners spend their hard-earned money extending their outdoor space, so they will have more room to entertain their friends and family. If you share the same sentiment, why not make a fire pit to make your backyard more exciting? A fire pit is another unusual thing you can add to your backyard. This is a smart investment because this allows you and your friends to roast food outdoors and stay warm even in the colder months. You can even add seats around your fire pit so your friends and family can enjoy better entertainment and comfort. Unusual items for your backyard design. Build a fairy garden. It's common for homeowners to plant flowers in their backyards and then turn the entire space into a garden. Sure, you can always do the same, but if you're looking for something unique, it might be best if you build a fairy garden instead. As the name suggests, a fairy garden is just like any other garden, but the main difference is that everything from the plants to other garden decorations is smaller. For you to build a fairy garden in your backyard, you need to purchase a potting mix, containers with draining holes, flowers and twigs, and glass marbles. You can also add mini garden decorations such as a fairy house, mini fences and small tables. Plant a vegetable garden. Be sure to allocate space for several beds. Probably everyone already knows that the garden can be decorative, so do not be afraid that such a decision will make your site less attractive. In addition to fresh greens and vegetables, you will get the opportunity to change activities, as well as a time and place to work together with the children. We would even recommend allocating small beds specifically for children and their garden experiments. Believe me, working in their own little garden, they will get a much greater understanding of the world around them and its processes than from the best textbooks. hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.